Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all doing really well and that you are having a lovely week so far. In today's video I wanted to share with you a really quick and easy eye makeup look that is all about making your eyes look bigger and bright, because there are several different tricks that you can do with makeup to make your eyes look a little bit bigger and a little bit brighter. So I really hope that you guys like this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more beauty content. And without further ado, let's get into the makeup look.
So to start off, I am going to take the colour Nudie from the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette. No surprises there, I love this eyeshadow palette. This colour acts as a really great base for this eyeshadow look. You just want a matte, neutral, bright coloured shade to start off with. Next up, for an instant eye lift, I am taking my Laura Mercier eyelash curlers and I'm getting right to the base of my lashes to give them a really good curl, and this gives your eyes an instant lift. Next up, I am taking my Rimmel Scandalise pencil in the colour Nude on my waterline. You'll notice that I'm using a nude coloured pencil instead of a white pencil. This is because nude is far more natural. It's mimicking the real colour of the inside of your eye, which is a nudie, fleshy colour, whereas white's just a little bit too harsh. And what this does is it instantly makes your eyes look bigger and brighter. For my eyeliner, I am using a Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes kohl pencil, and this is in a gorgeous dark purple shade. I find that this purple isn't as intense as a black might be. I would also recommend using a brown if you don't want a really dark intense look, but I think this purple looks really great against blue eyes as well, so it's just a little bit different than using a black or a brown. I'm taking this colour as close as possible all the way across my top lash line before getting to the outer corner of my eye, and this is where I'm going to start creating my cat flick. To create your cat flick, you're going to want to work up from your lower lash line, taking the line up towards the end of your eyebrow. This is going to give your eye an instant lift. Once you have that line in place, all you need to do is then connect it to your upper lash line for an instant eye lift. When doing a cat flick, you always want to make sure that you have a clean cotton wool bud on hand, just to correct any mistakes that you might have made, like I have done there, and you can also use it to perfect the tail end of your flick for a really crisp point. Once both cat flicks are done, I am going to take the Smoke Shade from Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this on a domed eyeshadow brush, and I'm just popping this into the crease of my eye. This is going to work to soften the eye and to add a little bit of depth. Going back to my kohl pencil, I'm going to take this pencil all the way along my lower lash line. This is going to help to add a little bit more definition to my lower lash line. Again, fixing any mistakes with that clean cotton wool bud. To enhance the eyeliner, I'm going to take a small smudger brush and the colour Lethal from Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette, and I'm just going to put this purple colour, which perfectly matches the eyeliner that I used, over the cat flick, my top lash line and my lower lash line. This is going to help enhance the eyeliner that we used, but also the powder helps to gently soften and diffuse the line, making it look not as harsh and a little bit more natural. So this dense smudger brush is going to help me get the intensity of product onto the line before I go in with a much smaller fluffy brush, which is going to help me gently diffuse and soften those lines even more. I'm going back to that smoke shade from the Charlotte Tilbury palette on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take this over my crease and in the outer V of my eye, just to diffuse, soften and make everything look a little bit more natural. Next up, to really open up my eyes, I'm taking a tiny fluffy brush and I'm using the prime shade from the Charlotte Tilbury palette. And I'm using this colour right on the inner corner of my eyes. This is such a good trick on every makeup really, to make sure that your eyes are looking as awake and as open as possible. Once I've done that, I'm curling my lashes again. Before applying mascara, I'm using Too Faced's Better Than Sex mascara. Taking the mascara one right to the base of the lashes, I'm really going to work the product through my lashes to create as much definition, separation and drama as possible. And then because this look is all about making your eyes look bigger, you're not going to want to miss out on taking the mascara on your bottom lashes as well, because that is going to help make your eyes look bigger. If you have any issues with mascara clumping like I did, just grab yourself either a disposable mascara wand, or this one is a clean old mascara wand of mine, and I'm just running it through my lashes to get rid of any clumps that might have occurred. And then to brighten up my under eye area, I'm using my Maybelline Eraser Concealer. This is just a really light coloured concealer just to go over my under eye area, just to get rid of any dark circles that might be there and brighten up the area, which is going to add an instant bit of light to that area. The heat from my ring finger will help to blend the product into my skin before setting it with a tiny bit of powder.
So this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys liked this video. Please let me know what you think of it in the comments down below, and I will see you next week with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!